Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into 20 of the best and most affordable business machines that you can start using for less than $500. Whether you're looking to create a side hustle or launch a full-time business, these machines, all available on Amazon, offer incredible opportunities to make a profit in 2025. From crafting custom products to starting a food business, these tools allow you to leverage your skills with minimal upfront costs, and in many cases, they can even provide you with passive income. Let's explore how you can turn your investment into profit. First on our list is the Tuing Gun, an incredible tool for making handmade rugs. Priced at just around $250, this machine can help you start a profitable business in no time. With each rug selling for $100 to $150, you could easily make up to $2,000 a month by creating just 15-20 rugs. Handmade products are in high demand, and platforms like Etsy and social media make it easy to find customers. It's easy to use, even for beginners, making it a fantastic starting point for anyone. Next, we have a mini candle-making machine. For only $300, you can start producing custom candles in various shapes, colors, and scents. With the growing demand for personalized and handmade candles, you can sell each one for $15, earning up to $3,000 or more a month. Perfect for gifts or home decor, this business idea offers creative freedom and a highly profitable market. Third on our list is the automatic food packaging machine, available for around $450. It's ideal for packing snacks, candies, or nuts efficiently. Capable of packaging up to 500 units daily, with a profit margin of $2 per package, this machine has the potential to generate a monthly income of $10,000 or more. Pair it with a unique brand and some effective marketing, and you're set to dominate your niche market. Fourth on our list is a desktop laser engraving machine, which you can find on Amazon for about $500. This machine lets you engrave designs on wood, glass, leather, and even metals, creating personalized gifts or branded items. Engraved products like plaques or keychains sell for $20 to $50 each, meaning you could easily earn $8,000 monthly by selling just 200 pieces. With its precision and speed, this machine is a perfect tool for starting a high-demand business from your home. Next, we have the 3D Pen Business Starter Kit, available on Amazon for as low as $150. This creative tool is great for crafting custom jewelry, decorations, or artistic sculptures. Each unique piece can sell for $15 to $50, and producing 200 items monthly could earn you up to $6,000. The 3D pen is simple to use and produces one-of-a-kind products that are highly sought after in the gift market. Sixth on our list is the T-shirt printing machine, available for around $400 on Amazon. With this machine, you can create custom designs for clothing, from T-shirts to hoodies, making it an ideal business for personalizing apparel. T-shirts with unique graphics or sayings often sell for $20 to $40 each. And with the ability to print hundreds of shirts a month, you could easily generate $5,000 to $10,000 in profit. With e-commerce platforms like Etsy and Shopify, selling custom apparel has never been easier. Seventh, we have the mini CNC milling machine, priced around $450 on Amazon. This machine allows you to create highly detailed products out of wood, plastic, or metal, perfect for creating custom parts, models, or even small furniture pieces. These items can be sold for anywhere between $50 to $200 each, depending on the complexity. If you create 100 custom pieces per month, you could earn up to $8,000, making this machine a valuable tool for anyone looking to enter the craft or manufacturing market. Next, we have an automatic soap-making machine, priced at around $400 on Amazon. With this machine, you can produce handmade soaps in various scents, colors, and designs. The beauty of this business is the ability to sell luxury soaps for $5 to $15 each. And with a high production rate, you could easily make up to $6,000 per month by selling on platforms like Etsy or at local markets. Natural and handmade soaps are becoming more popular, so now is a great time to enter this growing market. Ninth on our list is the mini hydraulic press machine, available on Amazon for approximately $450. This compact machine is ideal for creating custom metal or plastic parts, or even for crafting jewelry or car repairs. You can sell small, high-quality custom parts or jewelry pieces for $20 to $100 each. With a steady flow of orders, you could earn up to $6,000 to $10,000 per month. This machine is perfect for those looking to start a small but profitable manufacturing or craft business. Next is the manual coffee roasting machine, which can be found on Amazon for around $350. If you're passionate about coffee, this is a great business opportunity. Roasting and selling your own beans can generate $10 to $20 per bag, depending on the quality and type of beans. With just a few hundred bags sold per month, you could easily reach $4,000 to $6,000 monthly. Specialty coffee is a growing market, and this machine allows you to enter it at a low cost with high profit potential. 11th is the digital heat press machine for mugs, available for around $300 on Amazon. This machine allows you to print custom designs on mugs, making it a perfect business for personalized gift items. Each mug can be sold for $15 to $25, and selling just 300 mugs per month could bring in an income of $4,500 to $7,500. Whether you're targeting the gift market or business branding, this affordable machine offers a great opportunity for starting a profitable venture. 12 on our list is the heat transfer vinyl machine, priced at around $350 on Amazon. This machine is perfect for creating custom apparel, bags, and other fabric items with your own designs. You can sell personalized t-shirts, hats, or tote bags for $15 to $40 each. If you create and sell 300 items a month, you could easily earn between $4,500 and $12,000. The popularity of personalized items makes this machine a great investment for starting a custom merchandise business. Next on the list is the electric pizza oven, available for around $400 on Amazon. If you've ever thought about starting a small food business, this is the machine for you. You can start a pizza making business, catering to events or local gatherings. Selling pizza for $10 to $20 per pie, you could easily earn $5,000 or more per month, especially if you scale up your operation. It's an affordable way to enter the food service industry with high demand. 15th is the commercial blender for smoothies, priced around $400 on Amazon. Starting a smoothie or juice business with this powerful blender can be extremely profitable. A typical smoothie can be sold for $5 out of $10, and with high customer demand, you could earn $4,000 to $8,000 monthly with a consistent flow of sales. This is perfect for opening a small food stand or mobile smoothie cart with minimal investment. Next, we have a laser engraving machine, priced around $400 on Amazon. This machine is perfect for engraving custom designs onto wood, glass, acrylic, and even leather. You can start a business creating personalized gifts, home decor, or even branded products for companies. A single engraved product can sell for anywhere from $10 to $100, depending on the complexity and material. With the ability to engrave hundreds of items per month, you could easily earn $3,000 to $8,000 monthly. It's a great way to tap into the booming personalized product market with minimal upfront cost. Automatic plastic welding machine. Available on Amazon for around $400, this plastic welding machine allows you to create and repair plastic parts. It's useful for producing accessories, device components, or repairing broken items. Estimated monthly earnings, $3,000 to $5,000, depending on the demand for repair and production services. Automatic shrink wrap machine. This automatic shrink wrap machine, available on Amazon for about $300, is perfect for packaging various products, from cosmetics to food items. It's ideal for small businesses that need to package products for sale. Estimated monthly earnings, $3,000 to $6,000, depending on the volume of orders and products to be packaged. Embroidery machine for shirts. Available on Amazon for approximately $400, this embroidery machine is great for creating custom apparel, hats, or other accessories. You can make money by offering personalized clothing or embroidery services. Estimated monthly earnings, $2,500 to $5,000, depending on the number of orders and embroidered products. Electric meat slicer. This electric meat slicer, available on Amazon for around $150, is perfect for small businesses dealing with deli meats, cheeses, or other food products. It can be used in grocery stores or for local market sales. Estimated monthly earnings, $2,000 to $4,000, depending on customer demand and the volume of sliced products. Candlemaking machine. Available on Amazon for around $400, this candlemaking machine automates the process of pouring wax, adding fragrance, and setting the wick. It's perfect for small businesses focused on creating custom or mass-produced candles for sale. Estimated monthly earnings, $3,000 to $6,000, depending on the scale of production and demand for candles. You can sell them through online platforms, local markets, or even custom orders. That's it for today. All the links to these machines are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more business ideas. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new venture.